Welcome to another video. In today's video, well, first, as you can see, we got a new set for these Adams mystery box and bucket unboxings. Speaking of that, this new set will be in the next video that you see on this channel, so look out for that. And I'm just gonna hop right into it. I ordered Adam's latest mystery box, which it's not in the box because I already unboxed it because I cannot contain myself. Then we got a mystery bucket over here. So I'm gonna go through this stuff, kind of give you my thoughts on it, as I usually do in these kinds of videos, and let you know what I got, what I think about what I got, and you know how it goes. Alright, so the first thing I got in the mystery box was glass cleaner. Now, I've never had like the full size thing of their glass cleaner. I've only had like the one that comes in the sample box, which is a really small one, but I really love their glass cleaner. Like, it works really nice. It doesn't have any of those harsh kind of ammonia smells that glass cleaners typically have. It's really good, so that's a good one there. I got some leather conditioner, which I still haven't finished using up all the last leather conditioner I got in the Adams mystery box. So it's just nice to have another one. It works. It's pretty cool. As you can see, I got odor neutralizer. I've already put the little spray nozzle on this one because I've tested this one out and used it already. But I love this stuff. It does exactly what it says. You just kind of like spray it, mist it a little bit in the car, and it really kind of gives the car like a really nice neutral smell. It's not too strong, but it's not like, oh well, is this just water that I'm spraying in my car type of thing. Get what I'm saying? Get what I'm saying? Okay. So I got the regular Adams car shampoo. I've never had this, never tried this out, but I would imagine it's probably very similar to the Ultra Foam. Whoa, let's see, bees. I would imagine it's very similar to the Ultra Foam shampoo. Doesn't really smell like it. I don't know, kind of smells like it. We'll see, because I think I got Ultra Foam shampoo in here, I think. Yeah, I opened this too, but I don't remember what's in there. But yeah, got interior detailer. Now this, I like it, but this isn't something that I would go out and buy, like, because it doesn't really clean as much as it does. Just, I guess, kind of protects and shines, that kind of stuff. Even though it doesn't really shine, it just kind of lightly cleans. It works though. Not a bad thing. Then I got tire shine that was actually open in the box, so that's good. But I love Adams tire shine. If you've seen any of my other videos about their products, you'll know I love their tire shine. It's amazing. Like, probably one of the best tire shines I've used out there. So that's everything for the mystery box. So now we're gonna jump into the mystery bucket, which the first thing I should say is I got a top, because I guess normally you don't get tops with the mystery box. I know the last one I got, I didn't get a top with it, but with this one I got a top, and it's got like this really nice like foam on it. So I guess if you're like working on your car and you don't have like one of those like detailing chairs or something like that, or little like roll around chairs, then you can just sit on the bucket, which I think is really cool. Got a bunch of spray nozzles. Some of those spray nozzles might even be for that stuff. I got the micro silk glass towels. I think I got these before in a mystery bucket, but it wasn't labeled, so I guess that's what these are. I haven't tried these out yet, but I'm sure they probably work pretty good. So I got the double soft polishing towel, which I think I had one of these that comes with the sample kit, which I really like that, if that's what I'm thinking this is, which I'm thinking that that's what this is. I really like that. Got Ultra Foam shampoo. This is the third one of these I have now. It works really, you know what, I'm going to give you that smell comparison, because I think it smells like that. Okay, wait, hold on, gotta test this out here for science. Okay, so they don't smell alike. They kind of smell alike. This one is kind of more fruity, and this one is not. This one is purple, this one is blue. Thumbs up. Also, leave a thumbs up if you're liking this video and you like the content. All that fun stuff. Okay, so that's the Ultra Foam shampoo. Got another interior detailer. Like I said, I like this, but I wouldn't really go out of my way to buy this because it doesn't clean as well as I think it should clean. Adams all-purpose cleaner, the Eco all-purpose cleaner. I love that stuff. It's nothing like their Eco wheel cleaner, because that stuff sucks. Okay, waterless wash. Love their waterless wash. I think I still like have another bottle of this that I haven't fully used yet, but Love this, love it a lot. It's great. We got H2O Garden Gloss, which as you can see, it's kind of separating here, so shift that up. I don't know what it is with bugs. They just like the new set, I guess. But you should like the new set, by the way. So H2O Garden Gloss, never used this before. I'm excited to test this one out, let you guys know what I think of this, but haven't used that before. And then I got something that I was very excited to see when I opened it up, is the Buttery Wax. Like, I've always wanted to give this a try. As you know, in the last unboxing, I got the Americana Paste Wax. So I kind of want to see like how these kind of compare to each other, because this is a whole lot cheaper. I think this is like $15 or $16 or something like that, whereas the Paste Wax is like $49, like 50 bucks. So I want to see how this compares to that as like a cheaper alternative, maybe something like that. I don't know, but I'll give this a try. I'll wax, well, this car, or maybe the blue one here before winter, old man winter comes in and all that fun stuff. I also have the leather and interior cleaner. I think this is the foaming one here. I got this. I haven't tried this. I've tried the regular one out, and I love the regular one. Like, it cleans so well. It's just, it's amazing. It's fantastic. Go buy it. Buy it right now. Adam sponsored me so they can go buy it. Yeah. So I'll let you guys know how I like this one, but I would imagine it's probably the same. Probably works the same. I got this lovely strawberry air freshener that had the entire bucket when it got here. Like, the whole box that the bucket was in, like, just strawberrying it up. It was amazing. So I always love Adam's air fresheners. They really do smell good. 2 more spray nozzles, and we got a grit guard. So I have never used one of these before. With like my washing procedure, I just kind of try not to touch the bottom of the bucket when I do wash my cars at home, or when I have time to like do like a full detail wash or something like that. I just try to do that, but I guess this will be cool to try it out. I mean, it's not much to try out. You kind of put it in the bucket, like, it matches the bucket too. Like, that's cool. You put it in there, and that's it. That's all it does. I guess it keeps dirt from getting back on the towel, which is the reason why we use a 2-bucket method in the first place. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you ordered the Adam's mystery bucket, this lovely red one here, which I like this one a lot better than the last one that I got, which is the American one. I just like the color of this one better because red's kind of like my favorite color, if you couldn't tell. So I like this. If you like this video, leave me a like. If you ordered this stuff, like I was saying before I cut my own self off, if you got one of these or got the latest mystery buckets, let me know how you feel about it, what you got. Let me know down in the comments. I notice like a lot of you guys tend to do that, or you like just leave comments, which I love, like interacting with you guys. So like I said, yeah, let me know about that, what you guys got, and stay tuned for the videos to come on this bad boy right here. So that's gonna be it. Have a good one.